In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Bloomberg Finance Market News app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you can't install this from Google Play Store, then there are a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, you need to go to your Google Play Store from your Android smartphone, tap on it and make sure you are logged in before you search for your app. However, if you are logged in but you are unable to install the app, then you need to tap on the profile icon here of your Gmail account and go to settings. From settings, look for this option called network preferences and then tap on it and go to app download preference. You want to choose this and change this from any of these to over any network and tap on OK to save the changes. This will ensure that you are able to download and install this app via any network that you are currently connected to. From here, turn on your mobile data or Wi-Fi, and depending on the network you are on, you should be able now to download and install the app. However, if you're still unable, then the problem might be with Google Play Store app itself. For that, we need to troubleshoot it by just long pressing on your Google Play Store and look for app info. If you can't see app info, you should see a settings gear next around here, or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access Google Play Store app info page. At this point, we want to clear the app data, and you can do this by tapping on clear data here. And first, clear cache data, then restart your smartphone before you go to Google Play Store. Then search for your app by name. So I'll search for Bloomberg. Here it is. And from here, let's go ahead, try and see if we can install the app. I'll tap on install. And as you can see now, I'm able to install Bloomberg Finance and Market app. So that's how you can fix can't install Bloomberg app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.